Hi Shubham. I am all good. What about you? So hi everyone. How are you all? Hi Amrita. How are you? आज क्लास जल्दी है. Yes. Because of some reasons I was not able to take class in the evening time, so I don't wanted to cancel it, तो जल्दी ले ली. It was super tiring, Amrita. So I'm planning something big for myself and I was busy in its preparation. Hi Shikhar, how are you? So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your accounts master teacher, MLA Sheetal Choudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. And if you guys are watching me for the first time, or if you are new to my channel, let me first of all introduce myself to all of you. Yes, I will try to take care of my health as well. So, I hope you guys know my name. It is MLA Sheetal Choudhary. Talking about my qualifications, I am a CA aspirant. I have cleared CA Foundation as well as CA Intermediate, both in first attempt. And if you guys want to become CA, I am there to guide you at every step. Not only this, I have completed my graduation as well as post-graduation. In graduation, I have done BCom Honours from University of Delhi. In post-graduation, I have done MCom. And in my free time, I love cooking for myself, for my family, and I love singing songs. So this is all about me, guys. Good. Thank you, Shikhar. Okay, you are saying you are good. I thought you were saying good for the idea. Sorry. So, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do take a minute to subscribe it. अभी channel को subscribe करो और ऐसी live classes के लिए. And yes, do like this video, do give it a big thumbs up, do share it and do comment in the comments box कि आपको आज की class कैसी लगी. Now, as we all know कि हमने पिछली class में average profit method किया था. In last class, we have completed average profit method, and in this session we are going to start the another method, that is super profit method. तो आज की क्लास भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. We are going to start the super profit method. Hi Karthik, why 5 p.m? Because I told you one of my relative passed away a few days back, so we have to look at many arrangements and many rituals. So I was busy at 8 p.m. That's why I have preponed it to 5 p.m. I have rescheduled it 5 p.m. I don't want it to cancel it. मैं cancel नहीं करना चाहती थी because yesterday's session was cancelled because of the same reason. तो आज की क्लास मुझे cancel करनी पड़ती, but I didn't wanted that. तो मैंने पहले ले ली वो. Hi Shagun. And if you guys have not joined our Telegram group yet, then you are missing something very special thing. So we have provided the link of Telegram channel in the description box. Do join it as soon as possible ASAP, so that you get all the notes what we are covering in the class. Also, I have provided my personal Telegram handle, my personal Instagram username, and the playlist of previous chapter as well in the description box. So do check it out. And yes, on other days we will be having the class at 8 p.m. only. Our regular time will be 8 p.m. For today only, it is at 5 p.m. सिर्फ आज के लिए. From Monday, it will be at 8 p.m. only. So, this is Class 12 Accountancy session and the chapter name is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. We are going to discuss the topic Super Profits Method. We have covered one of the method already, that is average profit method, in which we discussed about simple average profit method and the weighted average profit method. ये दो methods, the average profit method, हम already कर चुके हैं. And I hope आप सबको अब वो अच्छे से आता है. I gave you homework as well. आपको homework भी दिया था. तो देखते हैं किस किस ने homework किया है और homework में क्या दिया था मैम ने. Yes, Karthik. Okay. So there are very few students, but it's okay. I know that you guys will be watching the recorded session. So let's start the class now, and I'm missing you guys. If you are watching the recorded class, then I am missing you a lot in the live session. Manas, Raj Lakshmi and Akash, Aniket, बहुत सारे बच्चे गायब हैं. So here we have the question that I gave you in the last class, which was from average profit method. तो last class में आपको ये question दिया था and many of you answered it wrong. And it was not surprising because I knew that this is a tough question, a different question, and you are going to answer it wrong. But then Prajwal and Raj Lakshmi, these two answered it correct. So congratulations Prajwal and congratulations Raj Lakshmi. I am proud of you guys. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला था चलिए देखते हैं. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They agreed to take C into partnership for 1/3 share. For this purpose, Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase. The number of year purchase is given, which is 2. And this will be calculated on the basis of average profit of last 4 years. You will calculate the average profit of last 4 years, which are as follows. So see, the profits of last 4 years are given. 2014, 50,000 profit. 2015, 1,20,000 profit. 2016, 1,80,000 profit. But 2017 is not having a profit. It is a... Okay, just a minute. मैंने इसमें गलत लिखा, ये लॉस होगा मे बी. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी क्रॉस चेक. It is a profit or a loss? Give me 1 second, let me cross check the question. So this 70,000 is loss and no one commented this. Shubham, this one is a loss. That's why your answer is coming wrong, guys. ये loss है. Prajwal and Raj Lakshmi, you have solved it. How? You didn't told me that, ma'am. आपने ये गलत लिया है. Okay, so let's take it profit right now because I have given you profit. पहले as a, we'll take this profit and then we'll take it as a loss. Okay, Shubham, maybe your answer is correct if it is 2,30,000 because I was assuming this as a loss, but I didn't know कि मैंने यहाँ पे profit दिया है. So we'll calculate this taking this as a profit only. अभी मैं loss नहीं ले रही, अभी हम इसको profit ही मानेंगे. Now on 1st April 2016, a motorbike costing 50,000 was purchased and it was debited to travelling expenses account. अब आप मुझे बताओ, if you are purchasing a motorbike, it is a capital expenditure. इट इज योर कैपिटल एसेट। ये कहाँ जाएगा? बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा। लेकिन आपने इसे कहाँ रिकॉर्ड किया? ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस में, जो कि एक मिस्टेक है। सो दैट्स अ ह्यूज मिस्टेक। एंड अगर आपने इस मोटर बाइक को अपने ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, इफ यू हैव रिकॉर्डेड दिस इन द ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस, इट मीन्स योर प्रॉफिट्स आर रिड्यूस्ड। आपके प्रॉफिट्स क्या हो गए होंगे? कम हो गए होंगे। सो नाउ यू विल ब्रिंग बैक योर प्रॉफिट्स टू दी नॉर्मल लेवल, टू दी ओरिजिनल लेवल। आप अपने प्रॉफिट्स को दोबारा से नॉर्मल लेवल पे लाओगे एंड हेंस यू विल ऐड दिस 50,000। इस 50,000 को हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा इन द ईयर 31 मार्च 2017। अब बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे, अरे मैम ये ईयर तो फर्स्ट ईयर 2016 है, द डेट इज 1 अप्रैल 2016, बट यू शुड नो दैट दिस विल एंड ऑन 31 मार्च। ये ईयर खत्म कब होगा? 31 मार्च 2017 को। तो वी आर एडिंग 50,000. Then the next line mentions that there is a depreciation also which is to be charged at the rate 20% per annum. जो हमारी ये मोटर बाइक है ना, इस पे डेप्रिसिएशन भी लगेगा। कितना? 20%. अब क्योंकि हमने ये मोटर बाइक 1 अप्रैल को खरीदी, the depreciation will be charged for full year 1 April to 31st March. So calculate depreciation 50,000 multiplied by 20% multiplied by full year 12 by 12, which will get cancelled. So your rate of your annual depreciation will be 10,000, and depreciation is an expense, so expense will be subtracted. आपका खर्चा है तो आप इसको माइनस कर दोगे। So in the year 2017 we will add 50,000 because motorbike was wrongly debited to travelling expenses, and we will subtract 10,000 the depreciation. Hi Sarika, how are you? Now 70 plus 50, 120, 120 minus 10, it is 110. These are your normal profits after the adjustment. These are the normal profits. Now we will calculate the total profits of 4 years. 50,000 plus 120, 170, 170 plus 180. 170 plus 180, 250, 350, 350 plus 110, 460. These are the total profits of 4 years, and 460 divided by 4. The total number of years are 4. So let me calculate it. The average profits are 1,15,000. These are the average profits, and these will be multiplied with 2. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 के साथ. So yes, congratulations Shubham, your answer was correct. Maybe you answered 230 or 240. The correct answer is 230. And all the students, those who have answered 230, they were correct. जिसने 230 आंसर दिया, सबका आंसर सही है. तो देखते हैं किस किसने 230 आंसर किया था. Karthik, well done. You answered at 230. Your answer is correct. बाकी सबने 330 आंसर दिया था. प्रज्वल ने पहले 330 दिया था. I don't know why. कार्तिक ने भी पहले 330 दिया था. Okay. So 230 is the correct answer if these 70,000 are profits. अब यहाँ पर एग्जामिनर आपके साथ क्या गेम खेलेगा? The examiner may make this question so tough for you. कैसे बनाएगा वो इस क्वेश्चन को टफ? Instead of giving this as profit, he will give this as a loss. ये 70,000 प्रॉफिट्स की जगह वो इसको क्या बना देगा, लॉस बना देगा। अब बच्चे क्या करेंगे, दे विल डू द सेम ट्रीटमेंट, 70,000 प्लस 50,000 माइनस 10,000। बच्चे सेम ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे एंड दे विल डू 70 प्लस 50 120, 120 माइनस 10 110। उनका आंसर सेम आएगा। But you need to focus, you need to understand that this is a loss. ये जो 70,000 अब profits नहीं है, ये क्या है, loss. And if it is a loss, it means this is a negative balance. Loss का मतलब क्या होता है, ये negative balance है. In that case, you will make calculation as this is minus 70,000. We need to add 50,000, the machinery, the motorbike which was wrongly debited to traveling expense, and we need to subtract 10,000 for depreciation. Now minus, we have done maths तो सबने करी है 10th वाली, minus plus हो जाता है, so minus will get added, it will be minus 80,000, minus 80,000 plus 50,000. Let me write it on a different screen. Minus 70 plus 50 minus 10. Minus added. It became minus 80,000 plus 50,000. Now plus minus is minus. So 80 minus 50, it is 30. And the sign of higher digit, higher number will be written. So it will be minus 30,000. So this will be a loss after adjustment. After adjusting all the points, you are still having a loss of rupees 30,000. Now you will calculate the total of 4 years profits. तो आप क्या करोगे, फर्स्ट ईयर प्रॉफिट, सेकेंड ईयर प्रॉफिट, थर्ड ईयर प्रॉफिट एंड फोर्थ ईयर इज अ लॉस. सो फर्स्ट ईयर प्रॉफिट इज 50,000, सेकेंड ईयर प्रॉफिट इज 1,20,000, थर्ड ईयर प्रॉफिट इज 1,80,000 एंड फोर्थ ईयर प्रॉफिट इज, इट इज लॉस ऑफ 30,000. ये क्या है, लॉस है. So add these, it will be 350. 350 minus 30, it is 320. These are the total profits of 4 years divided by 4. So 320 divided by 4, your average profits are 80,000, and now this will be multiplied with 2. 80,000 multiplied by 2, your goodwill will be 1,60,000. So this is the solution if rupees 70,000 is given as a loss. If it is a profit, it's so easy to calculate the answer. But if it is a loss, you have to take care of the signs of your calculation. आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि माइनस प्लस होता है, कैलकुलेशन कैसे करनी है, अदरवाइज आपको 4 में से मिलेगा अंडा 0. So tell me, is this question clear to everyone? सबको समझ आया क्वेश्चन? Shubham, Karthik, Sarika, Shagun, Amrita, is it clear? Clear, Shubham. Clear, Karthik. Hi, Yash. How are you? ओके, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद टुडेज सेशन। चलिए आज की क्लास शुरू करते हैं, देखते हैं कि आज हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं। सो एज यू ऑल हैव रेड द टाइटल इज सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड। तो आज हम करेंगे सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड का मीनिंग एंड फॉर्मूला, कि इस मेथड से गुडविल कैसे कैलकुलेट होगी, एंड देन वी विल डू सम प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस, द गुड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस जो आने के काफी सारे चांसेस होते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास को विद द मीनिंग। बट आर यू गाइज रेडी फॉर द सेशन? तैयार है आप क्लास के लिए? फाइन याश, ओके। हाय वंशिका, हाउ आर यू? I am all good, Vanshika. You say, what about you? So I hope you guys are ready for the session. So let's start it now with the meaning of super profit method. अब formula का नाम क्या है? Super profits method. Now I know that many of you must be thinking, what are these super profits? ये सुपर प्रॉफिट्स होते क्या है मैम? सो लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दी सुपर प्रॉफिट्स। इसका मतलब क्या होता है? एक इंडस्ट्री है, इंडस्ट्री मतलब दिस इज योर क्लोथ इंडस्ट्री। यहाँ पर सब किसका काम करते हैं? कपड़ों का काम करते हैं। नाउ देयर आर 3 शॉप्स, यहाँ पर 3 शॉप्स हैं। द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट विच इज अर्न्ड बाय ऑल दी शॉप इज 60,000। नॉर्मली सबको कितना प्रॉफिट होता है हर महीने हर साल? 60,000। बट दिस शॉप इज अर्निंग एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स, इसको कम से कम प्रॉफिट होता है 80,000। तो बाकी सारी शॉप्स नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कमा रही हैं। ऑल अदर शॉप्स इन द सेम इंडस्ट्री आर अर्निंग अ नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट ऑफ 60,000। बट योर फर्म, आपकी जो फर्म है या आपकी जो दुकान है, उसको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है 80,000 का। इट मीन्स यू आर अर्निंग एन एक्सेस प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹20,000। आपको एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट्स कमाने को मिल रहे हैं, दैट इज 20,000। सो दिस 20,000 इज नोन एज सुपर प्रॉफिट। सो सुपर प्रॉफिट्स आर दोज एक्सेस प्रॉफिट्स विच आर अर्न्ड बाय अ फर्म अबव द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स। जो भी आप नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट से ऊपर कमाते हो उसी को क्या कहते हैं? सुपर प्रॉफिट्स। So tell me, is the meaning clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Now how did we calculated the super profits? हमने 20,000 कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? अरे मैम, from 80,000 from the average profits we have subtracted 60,000 the normal profits. So average profits minus normal profits, this is the formula for super profit. What is the formula for super profits? Average profits minus normal profits. Karthik, that I I'll tell you in their particular chapters. We'll do those chapters in brief: death of partner, admission of a partner. So at that time you will be able to relate it more clearly. Okay, now we are going to jump to the formulas. I'll come to the meaning later. First we'll come to the formula so that we can understand the meaning more briefly. So, I have just told you the formula for super profits. अभी बताया super profits कैसे calculate करते हैं. The formula is average profits minus normal profits. ये तो फॉर्मूला हो गया आपके सुपर प्रॉफिट्स का. अब क्वेश्चन में आपको एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स तो गिवन है. द एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, बट समटाइम्स एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स की जगह एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट्स भी गिवन होते हैं. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. द एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स समटाइम्स आर आल्सो गिवन एज एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट्स. So it will be either average or actual. So average minus normal, this is the formula for super profits. Average actual profits will be always given. But what about normal profits? So when it comes to normal profits, it may be given or may not be given. ये आपको पेपर में given भी हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में, और this may be this may be hidden. So you may have to calculate it yourself. आपको हो सकता है कि ये calculate करना पड़े. Calculate it yourself. Now how do we calculate the normal profits? इसको कैसे calculate करेंगे? So the formula for normal profits is, normal profits are equal to capital employed और कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड इन द बिजनेस. जो भी आपने बिजनेस में पैसा लगाया है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. व्हाट इज NRR? इट इज नॉर्मल रेट विच विल बी ऑलवेज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. नॉर्मल रेट डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So capital employed will be multiplied with the normal rate and divided by 100 to calculate the normal profits. तो ऐसे हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे आपके नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स. एंड अब नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें चाहिए कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. टू कैलकुलेट नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स वी नीड कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड, कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड, बट दैट मे ऑल्सो बी हिडन. हो सकता है कि क्वेश्चन में वो डायरेक्टली गिवन ही नहीं है. देन हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स इफ द कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज नॉट गिवन? So you will calculate the capital employed as well. And how you will calculate it? So capital employed is equal to assets minus liability. Very simple. Capital employed is equal to assets minus liability. So this is how we calculate the super profits. Average profits minus normal profits. If both are given, it's very easy. 80 minus 60, 20,000 are your super profits. Then you will, if the normal profits are not given, you need to apply the formula of same. If capital employed is also not given, you need to calculate it by using the formula. So these are the formula you will need in super profit method. And once you have calculated the super profits, it's very easy to calculate the goodwill. एक बार आपने सुपर प्रॉफिट्स कैलकुलेट कर लिए, द फॉर्मूला विल बी गुडविल इज इक्वल टू सुपर प्रॉफिट्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. So this is how we calculate goodwill, like we have calculated in the previous method. No, Karthik, who said that asset minus liability is equal to goodwill? नहीं बेटा, asset minus liability is equal to capital. नेवर गुडविल, कभी गुडविल नहीं होता। क्लास 11th में अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन करा था, एसेट इज इक्वल टू लाइबिलिटी प्लस कैपिटल, हमने उसी फॉर्मूला को मॉडिफाई कर दिया है बस। So this was all about your average profit method. Sorry, super profits method. So now let's come to the meaning of super profit method. Now we just have to read it because I have already explained everything to you. तो सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं अब। In this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of surplus profits, the excess profit. I told you, super profits are nothing. They are just the excess profits that is earned by a firm that are earned by a firm above the average profits. So, in comparison to average profits. And such excess profits are known as super profits, and goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profits. So super profits can also be known as excess profits, surplus profits. So goodwill is calculated by multiplying the super profits with the number of year purchase. Super profits multiplied by 2, super profits multiplied by 3, 4, 5, whatever is given in the equation. So this was super profit method. Yes, Prajuval, I posted it on the community as well. Class jaldi ho gayi aaj because 8 PM I was not available and I didn't want it to cancel the class today as well. तो मैंने जल्दी ले ली। So these are the formulas of super profits method. This is the main formula. Super profits are equal to actual or average profits minus normal profits. And if normal profits are not given, you will calculate it by using the formula capital employed or capital invested multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100, and then you will calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profits multiplied by number of year purchase. It's okay, Prajwal and Aniket, you guys can see the recorded session for a few minutes, but you haven't missed anything. You have just missed the theoretical meaning. For that you can see the recorded session, but you can continue with this. You just have to learn these 3 formulas. The entire class is based on these 3 formulas. So we are doing the super profit method. First we have to calculate the super profits. The main thing is super profits. So super profits are equal to average profits minus normal profits. We know how to calculate the average profits. Total profits divided by total number of years. And basically mostly it is given in the equation. If it is not given, we can calculate it. We know how to calculate it. Now coming to normal profits. These normal profits are also given in the equation sometime. But in case it is not given, then you have to calculate it. The formula is capital employed or capital invested multiplied by rate upon 100. This is how you will calculate your normal profits. And after calculating normal profits, you will use this formula, average profit minus normal profit. So this is how we calculate the super profits. and after calculating the super profits, they will be multiplied with the number of year purchase to calculate the goodwill. It's okay, Manas. नहीं निहारिका, सिर्फ आज ही, only today it was at 5 PM. From Monday it will be at its regular timings. So you need not note it down because they will be there in your notes, guys. आपके notes में आपको सब मिल जाएगा टेलीग्राम पे. अब इस मेथड के काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस है एंड आई लाइक वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इट इज लाइक अ पजल. So we'll be doing 3 types of questions of this method. So let's start it one by one and you are going to enjoy it a lot. आपको मजे आने वाले हैं. अभी तो हमें रीस्टार्ट नहीं करना है, तो not now. Okay, so let's start with the first practical question. Are you guys ready for practical questions? क्या आप लोग तैयार हैं? And if you guys have not liked the video, please do like it, do share it and do let me in the comments box. Do let me know in the comments box कि आज की क्लास कैसी लगी आप लोगों को. आज आपने हमको सिंपल भी देख लिया. Okay, because I was at my relative's home and I have to rush from there to take your session, and after your session I will again go to that place. So let's start with the first question and here we have it, guys. So this question is of your chapter. Okay, so this is from your average profit method, I guess. एक मिनट, let me first check it. कौन से उसका है? Give me 1 second. So this is of average profit method, guys. ये तो एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड का है. दिस इज नॉट फ्रॉम दिस. So we are not going to take this question because this is of average profit method. We have already covered it. And ये तो हमने लास्ट क्लास में भी किया था, I guess. We have already covered this question before. I have included this by mistake. Yes, Manas, we have done this question. So we'll move on to the next one. Let me delete it from your slides. Okay, so here we have your first question. And the question is the average net profits expected in the future. The average profits are rupees 36,000. So average profits हमें given है 36,000. The capital employed is given. अब capital employed क्यों given है देखते हैं. Capital employed is rupees 2 lakh. This is capital employed. The rate of return. The rate of return is given 10%. The remuneration of the partner is estimated to be 6,000 per annum. The salary of partner is given rupees 6,000 per annum. So let's write it down. Remuneration. Now why it is given, I'll tell you. Remuneration salary is given 6,000. You have to find out the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years परचेज ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट्स. हमें गुडविल कैसे कैलकुलेट करनी है? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 2 years परचेज ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट्स. So let's start this question now. The formula of super profits. First of all, we need to calculate super profits. Super profits are equal to average profits minus normal profits. अब बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे कि हमें एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है और नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. Average profits are given in the equation and we need to calculate only normal profits. But you guys are wrong. आप लोग गलत हो. Because average profits are given but still you need to adjust them first. Average profits given तो हैं. I know that average profits are 36,000. But did you notice that salary is an expense which needs to be adjusted? The salary of 6,000 will be subtracted from average profit. आपको इसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So average profit 36,000. You will subtract salary remuneration 6,000 and after that your normal average profits are 30,000. So these are the actual average profits. You will take this amount, not 36,000. जो बच्चे 36,000 लिख के आएंगे उनका पूरा आंसर गलत होगा. उनको मिलेगा अंडा. Then we'll calculate the normal profits. Normal profits is equal to capital employed, which is given 2 lakh, multiplied by rate of return divided by 100. So 2 lakh multiplied by 10%, your normal profits are 20,000. These are the normal profits. Now we will calculate the super profit, which is so easy. So super profits are equal to average profits 30,000 minus normal profits 20,000. 30 minus 20, the super profits are 10,000. And after calculating the super profits, you will calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profits multiplied by number of year purchase, which is 2. So 10,000 multiplied by 2, your goodwill is 20,000. This is the answer of this question. So make sure that if any of the adjustment, अगर salary given है या कोई और point given है, you have to adjust it first. ओके, प्रज्वल ने आपको बोला कि वहाँ पे गलती है, लेकिन प्रज्वल ने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? मैंने वो सही कर दिया होता. आई वुड हैव करेक्टेड इट. So is this question clear to you guys that how do we calculate goodwill as per super profit method? समझ आया? Okay, you have told me in Instagram. I didn't notice, sorry. I'll check it. Clear, Manas? Okay, so I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Now moving on to our next question. चलते हैं हमारे अगले question पे. And here we have it. अब ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है ना, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. दिस वन इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन and I guess it may come in your exams as well if you are having your UT of this chapter. अगर इस chapter का UT होगा ना, this is going to come definitely. इसके आने के बहुत chances हैं. So let's start it now. And please read it very carefully. On 1st April 2015, an existing firm had assets of 2 lakh including cash of 4,000. The total assets are 2 lakh including cash 4,000. Its creditors liability is 10,000 on that date. The partner's capital account showed a balance of 1,60,000 while the reserves are of 30,000. If the normal rate of return is 15%, and अब ध्यान देना, please pay attention, and the goodwill of the firm is valued at 36,000. So did you notice that the goodwill is already given? क्वेश्चन में हमें जनरली गुडविल कैलकुलेट करनी होती है और इस क्वेश्चन में गुडविल आपको गिवन है. गुडविल इज वैल्यूड एट 36,000 एट 3 years परचेज ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट. सो गुडविल is valued at 3-year purchase of super profit, which is already given to you, that is 36,000. Now what you have to do is you have to calculate the average profit. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको गुडविल कैलकुलेट नहीं करनी, आपको सुपर प्रॉफिट्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. सॉरी, आपको एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. So this is my favorite question. तो चलिए अब इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's start solving it and let's see how will we calculate the average profits. So first you will write down the formula of super profits. Sorry, you will write down the formula of goodwill first of all, because goodwill is given. Goodwill is equal to super profits multiplied by 3, and the goodwill is calculated at 36,000. So if we divide goodwill by 3, we will get the value of super profits. अगर आप गुडविल को 3 से डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आपके पास किसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी? सुपर प्रॉफिट्स की. सो 36,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, योर सुपर प्रॉफिट्स आर 12,000. By this formula we have calculated the value of super profits. Hi Rudru. तो पहले हमने सुपर प्रॉफिट्स कैलकुलेट किया. Now, as we have the value of super profits, you will write down the formula of super profits. So, super profits are equal to average profits minus normal profits. So, super profits are 12,000. हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स हमें कैलकुलेट करने. What about normal profits? Now, normal profits we can calculate because the information is given in the question. What is the formula for normal profits? क्या formula होता है? Normal profits are equal to capital employed multiplied by rate upon 100. But as I checked the question, मुझे क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड नहीं दिखा. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज ऑल्सो नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, सो यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट दैट ऑल्सो. आपको कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड भी कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी, विच इज इक्वल टू एसेट माइनस लाइबिलिटी. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज इक्वल टू एसेट माइनस लाइबिलिटी और capital plus reserve. These are the two formula for capital employed. Asset minus liability or capital plus reserves. So your assets are 2 lakh. It is including cash. तो cash included है, हमें कुछ नहीं करना. अगर ये excluding होता, if it was excluding, it means this is not added in the asset, so you have to add it. So please read very carefully that whether it is including or excluding. अगर excluding है तो आपको include करना है, आपको add करना पड़ेगा. So your assets are 2 lakh and your creditors, your liabilities are 10,000. So 2 lakh minus 10,000, your capital employed is 1,90,000. Assets minus liabilities, capital employed is 1,90,000. And you can use the second formula as well. आप दूसरा formula भी use कर सकते हो. Capital plus reserve. The capital balance is 1,60,000. Reserves are 30. So 160 plus 30, it will be again 1,90,000. But it may happen that capital is not given. ऐसा हो सकता है कि capital given ही नहीं है. Then you cannot use this formula capital plus reserve. So आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या information given है और कौन सा formula use हो सकता है. So formulas आपको सारे पता होने चाहिए, सारे formula याद होने चाहिए. So capital employed is 1,90,000. Now we'll calculate the normal profits. 1,90,000 multiplied by rate upon 100, 15 upon 100. So 1,90,000 upon 15 upon 100, it is 28,500. These are your normal profits. Normal profits कितने आए? 28,500, 28,500. Capital employed is the total amount. Capital employed means your reserves are also included in it, the partners' capitals are also included in it, all the profits earned are also included in it. It means the total amount which is invested in the business. But the partners' capital, it means the amount which is invested by partners only. It will not include the profits reserves. So partner capital is a part of capital employed. Capital employed is a wider term and partners capital is a narrow term. So we got the normal profits 28,500. Now these normal profits will be taken to the left hand side, and when you will take it to the left hand side, the minus sign will turn into plus. Now it will be added. So 12,000 plus 28,500, it will be 40,500. So your average profits are 40,500. This is your answer. And this is a 4 marks question. So 1 mark is for calculating super profit, 1 mark is for calculating normal profit, 1 mark is for calculating the capital employed, and 1 mark is to calculate the average profit. So this is total of 4 marks. So this is a very, very important question. So please revise it. And there will be one more question of same type. So you have to do it yourself. एक सेम आपको ऐसा एक सेम क्वेश्चन मिलेगा तो वो आपको खुद से करना है. Tell me, is this question clear to everyone? सबको ये क्वेश्चन समझ आया? Okay. So with this we have completed today's session, guys. We have completed the super profit method. So it was easy because we have already covered the average profit method. क्योंकि हमने average profit method already कर रखा है, इसलिए हमें ये method easy लगा. And the next method is the capitalization method, which is the last one. It is also easy because it is based on average profit method and super profit method. So it will be also 40 to 45 minutes. वहाँ पर हमारे दोनों method हो जाएंगे because capitalization method is again divided into two categories. Capitalization of average profit, capitalization of super profit. तो वो दोनों ही कल की क्लास में जल्दी से कवर हो जाएंगे. Yes, अगला होमवर्क है प्रज्वल. तो आज का होमवर्क is this one. You have to calculate the average profit in this method, in this question. So let's see who will answer it first. कौन सबसे पहले आंसर करेगा? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. You found it helpful. So if you really enjoyed this session, then please do like it, please do share it, and do let me know in the comments box that how was today's session. तो comments box में ज़रूर बताया करो कि आज की क्लास आपको कैसी लगी, डेली की क्लासेस कैसी लग रही है, because that boost my motivation level. अलग ही मोटिवेशन मिलता है. एंड येस, इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल येट, देन प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब इट. अपने दोस्तों को बोलो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. और अगर अभी तक आपने टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से ज्वाइन करो, बिकॉज आपको नोट्स कहाँ मिलने वाले हैं? टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. अब आप लोगों से मिलेंगे अगली क्लास में ऑन मंडे एट 8 PM, जहां पर हम करेंगे अपना प्यारा सा छोटा सा कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड. एंड यस, जूम इस संडे नहीं हो पाएगी बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट माई रिलेटिव, तो आई एम बिजी देयर, सो आई विल हैव इट ऑन नेक्स्ट संडे. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक अ फेक प्रॉमिस कि मैं बोल दूँ हाँ होगी संडे को. सो सॉरी, इट कैन बी पॉसिबल टुमारो. So we'll have the capitalization method on Monday at 8 PM. And I don't think that all of you have texted me your email IDs yet. So those who have still not shared their email IDs with me, please do share it as well so that I can make a proper list. I have got only 4 email IDs till now. So a Zoom with 4 students will not be interesting at all. So make sure that you all are sharing your email IDs with me. So you can share your email IDs on either Instagram or Telegram. The link, the username of both is provided in the description box below. So now I'll see you all on Monday, and till then, thank you so much for all your love, for all your support, guys. So thank you everyone for watching this session, and I'm sorry for taking the session today before time, but मैं क्लास को कैंसिल नहीं करना चाहती थी, इसीलिए मैंने जल्दी. So those who are watching the recorded session, thank you so much, and thank you to you two guys for watching all my classes. Now we'll see you all on Monday. Till then, bye bye, good night, have sweet dreams, and I love you.